Well, this is very different. Usually it's just a trade show. This one is a lot more personal, and it's also with one goal. In this particular case, we were looking at sustainability and what could we do, not only as a company, but as a force, and what is out there that we can discover amongst different companies as well as solution providers to hopefully get a win.
I attend a few events a year, and I think this is one of the more personal ones. The attendance is of my peers, and you don't usually get that at a lot of other conferences. You get maybe a broader range. So different events accomplish different things, and I know that going in, so I'm able to tailor what I'm looking for when I get here.
So I like this because it's smaller, and you get face-to-face time with the vendors. You can ask some deep questions, and you can go really deep on a few topics.
It's quite different, because I think what's most unique about it is that the delegates and the vendors both have a chance to present what their interest is in that match. Whereas a lot of the other events, you don't have that ability to make that pre-meeting connection of exactly what they're looking for and what you have to offer. So I think that's an advantage. It gives you a chance to prepare and speak directly to the needs that they came looking for. So it's different.